Anytime you will have problem like this, where the multiplier, right, has the exponent different than 0, okay, you're supposed to ignore at the very first moment this part of the problem and concentrate at this number, okay? So let me copy this number down one more time. So I have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, 7, 4, okay? And I said we have to concentrate at this number first. And I'm going to convert this one first to scientific notation. And I'm going to write multiplier times 10 to 0, okay? We have to move the decimal point after 3, because the definition says that the number on the left side of decimal point is supposed to be between 1 and 9. That's why I have 3.74, and I move my decimal point 6 times, okay? Times 10 to minus 6. My number got bigger, exponent went down. When number goes up, exponent goes down. We start from 0, we went 6 times down, that's why I have negative 6. Okay? Now, so again, this is just the number. Next, we have to include this multiplier. So I'm going to just times 10 to minus 11. Okay? Now we have to remember that anytime we have the same base, we have to keep the base and add exponents. So I'm going to have 3.74 times 10 minus 6 plus negative 11. Okay? Positive times negative will give me negative. That's why I'm going to have 3.74 times 10 minus 6 minus 11. So minus 6 and minus 11 is minus 17. So I'm going to have 3.74 times 10 to negative 17. This is the answer to my problem.